Hello guys, let's take a look at daily Bitcoin chart, and here we are on the $17,000 right now, and price retraced a little bit from all-time highs. I know a lot of the new traders come here on this all-time highs because all of the media is screaming about Bitcoin is reaching all-time highs and blah blah blah. So in this point. It is normal that a lot of new traders join the market and new traders successfully erecting on this stage. But let's take a look from the technical perspective and what to expect from Bitcoin right now, and what is normal and what is not for such Bitcoin price moves. So, first, I want to say that this price action was only for 17% down. It is not a lot. If you can see, in September and August, we had 20% down, and again, it is not a lot. Let's take a look from 2017, and you probably know that in 2017, Bitcoin price broke the all-time highs, which settled in 2013 on 1,100. So we can see this price level. Uh, it required like 3 years to recover to this level, and from these all-time highs, price rebounded several times with 35% drawdowns, 35 for the second, right? And the second time it rebounded with 32% drawdown. So can you imagine this drawdown right now on Bitcoin? For sure, it could happen. So it is normal for bullish markets to rebound on 30% or even for the 40%. I already talked about this in previous video, that it is okay and it is a healthy bullish correction. 35, 33%, and even 40 is normal. Uh, so don't be scary of next retracement on Bitcoin. But let's take a look at on the monthly chart, and I want to notice important thing on monthly chart of Bitcoin. So here is the chart which I shared with you like 10 days ago. We see the monthly chart here. So on the monthly chart, it was a surprise for me that in 2017, when we reached $20,000 first, um, price closed way lower than I expected that. So you can see price close at 13,800. It's way lower than $20,000. So the key point is that this month, in November 2020, we see that we are establishing new all-time highs on the monthly chart. And well, it is a pretty big signal for institutional investors, and for the rest of the world it is a pretty much a very strong signal. And I think that November, which will close in 2 days, uh, will not go below this 13,800. And this will mean that we are in a bullish trend for sure for December, for January. And let's back to the daily chart in order to understand this thing again and see how the price can move. So on monthly closing price located at 13,800, right? Let's place this level here. Let's make it red. So we can see that it is very important level. And um, as I said, it is only 2-3 days until the end of this month. So, well, chances that we are going to reach this level in this month are way lower than any other levels. So, where is the December? So December starts in 3 days, and we are here on $17,000. So potentially, we are going to reach. Well, if we're going down, then we're going to reach something like 15,000, 15,600, something like that. But I don't think that we are going to cross this important monthly close level. Let me monthly close 2017, 2018 all-time high. So there isn't like no chances that we are going to cross this level during these 2 days. So stop panicking from here. Okay. Second thing that we can have, yes, we can reach this level next month. Of course, it's possible. So what we can expect from the price? Right now, the price will like go in a sideways here, but then in December it can go down. Okay, it is possible. It is normal. Let's take a look just on the retracement. How much the retracement? Remember, in 2017 we had 30% retracement from all-time high, right? So all-time high 19,500. Then 30% down. Well, here we are on $14,000 and monthly all-time high from 2017. So it is possible level to reach $14,000, okay, but it is impossible to reach it in the next 2 days. So what this means? It means that this point will be like the best opportunity for several months, and it is also very good level with a very good stop loss. Obviously, if you're going to put like open the trade for midterm, then this level is very good, and it stop loss is very good as well. So you can set stop loss below $13,000 and just forget about it, right? So if you're going to buy here, buy $14,000 with a stop loss on $13,000. It is okay to hodl. It is okay to buy for midterm with this setup, at least for me. And don't forget to always control the risks, because most of the new people come into the market, they buying all in. They never think about the risks. They never think about the loss. They think that they will win always. Well, not they not win always. Most of the time they lose. So yeah, be prepared for losses. It is normal. It is okay, and just trade your plan, trade your strategy, and you will be fine. So here we are, and what we can do? We can buy from $14,000 if this level will be reached. If not, well, then we will correct our strategy, right? So as I said in the previous video, that we are going to with a two like straight trend to narrow trend, and this trend is broken right now, and it is normal. It is just correction, and there is no like big signs of the reversal. Okay, so this level, and I want to make sure that you understand in here a few other things. Let me delete from the chart the drawings, and let's focus on moving averages. So moving average, they following the price, they go in side by side on the price action, and there is our important moving averages. So first moving average I have here is EMA, exponential moving average 21. For daily time frame, it is a pretty important moving average, and it is well known moving average for stock traders. They're using this moving average a lot, and this EMA most of the time for stocks for S&P 500 acting like a support. But for Bitcoin, it is not similar. But anyway, we can use it as a first signal for trend reversal, first signal for trend breakout, and something like that. So you can see that EMA21 located here in $17,000, where we are now, and it is pretty big chances that we're going to break EMA21 according to the history of Bitcoin. So even you don't have to look for like very past. You just look at recent price actions. You can see that EMA21 often not respected by Bitcoin. So well, this moving average is good, but not as good as another moving average which I have here in the chart. But once again, let's back to the 2017 where the bullish market was uh, like wider than today, and you can see that moving average EMA21 and didn't respect it as well. So you can see it broke here, it broke here as well, but price didn't reverse. So it gives us only a point about this moving average, that this moving average not a support, but this moving average is a signal line. So what is signal? It signals us that if we are in bullish trend, that this moving average signal us that dip is coming, and that dip we can use for midterm trades, for midterm entries, with a pretty much safe margin. And another moving average which I use here is moving average 100. Let me type it. Um, Moving average 100, right? And this moving average is pretty much solid for Bitcoin price actions, and I noticed it that Bitcoin respect this moving average pretty well. You can see in the September, October, it acted like a support. Other time it acted like a resistance. You can see here a lot of times acted like a resistance, right? And let's back to 2017 and check 2017. From 2016 2017, again it acts like a support. Well, we had here fake out, but eventually price moved up, and you can see a lot of times price just respecting moving average 100. And this is pretty much strong moving average for Bitcoin, and we can use it. Okay, this is pretty much simple to use this moving average, and you can see it goes very straightforward. So what we are looking at now, we were looking at moving edge 100, and what we can expect from it. Well, first of all, we can expect that it will continue to grow. So moving average 100 will continue to grow, right? Something like that. Okay. And most likely it will continue to grow, and most likely, as I said before, if the price will make a retracement for 30% down, until $14,000, it will reach the moving average 100, right? Somewhere near $14,000. And this will be the best opportunity for buy for midterm with a safe margin stop loss. And I will use this signal. I will use this dip. Uh, so yeah, I think that's pretty much it that I wanted to explain today. And Bitcoin price action is pretty simple. It's pretty tradable. If you are not in FOMO, if you are not jumping on the highs, everything will be fine. You just need to wait your trading opportunity and be respectful for the price actions and be respectful for moving averages and other signals which coming from indicators and the price. So yeah, the key points for today is that we are waiting for $14,000 to retest this level again. But of course, we're not going to reach this level today, tomorrow, or maybe in a week. We will not reach it very fast. Maybe we will not reach it anytime ever, but this level is better than any other levels which you can buy. Um, and don't forget that it is normal for bullish markets to retrace for 30% down, sometimes even lower for 40% down. But it is normal to retrace for 30%. Okay? Don't be scared. And this is not sales signal, this is just a correction. Well, and if you are picking up dips, then your positions will have more margin in order to have stop loss with better levels, in order to have a best option to quit the trade, in order to have less losses and everything like that. So just respect the price action, respect the moving averages, and everything will be fine. So just follow the trend and it will be very, very good. And from now, I'm expecting that the price of Bitcoin will have some kind of sideways here in December. Maybe we will reach again $20,000, then retrace, and then we will see maybe something like that will happen on Bitcoin price action during next months. Okay, during December and during January, and of course this is potential time for altcoins. You already know that most of altcoins drop at 18% down. Some of them drop at 17% down. Some of them drop at 19% down. So it is very good opportunity for buy altcoins, and especially if the price of Bitcoin will reach this sideways action in this few months, that will means a lot profits on altcoins. So yeah, stay tuned to my channels and don't forget to support this video. And if you have a questions, please welcome in the comments or in a direct message. I really like to help you. So thank you and goodbye.